Hello students, it is just a recap of chapter Our Environment. In this video, we will revise all the topics in short. First is environment. Our surrounding is called environment. Next is ecosystem. Any ecosystem is composed of biotic and abiotic components which are always interdependent. The biotic component of an ecosystem are producers, consumers, and decomposers. The ultimate source of energy for all the biotic components of any ecosystem is the sunlight captured by the producers. Abiotic components include the non-living components of biosphere. The process of eating and being eaten is called food chain, and the interrelated food chains forming a complex network is called food web. Each link in food chain is known as trophic level. Producers always form the first trophic level. एक था 10% law. Only 10% of the energy goes from one trophic level to the next higher trophic level. Any ecosystem has two functions: energy flow and nutrient movement occurring side by side. Flow of energy is unidirectional, obtained by the producers from the sun to the consumers. The number of trophic levels in a food chain are always limited to 4 or 5. It happens because there is a loss of energy as we go from lower trophic level to the higher trophic level. Biomagnification, the increase in concentration of harmful substances in the higher level of a food chain, is called biological magnification. Next is global warming and greenhouse effect. Greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, methane, CFCs, etc. are increasing in the atmosphere due to human and natural activities. These gases trap the heat, mainly infrared radiations, reflected by the earth. This heats up the atmosphere, leads to an increase in Earth's temperature. This phenomenon is called global warming, which occurs due to the greenhouse gases. It may result in melting of polar ice, leading to rise in sea level. Coastal regions thus will be flooded or might even be submerged. These are the bad effects of the global warming. नेक्स्ट आता है आपका ऑक्सीजन इज फाउंड इन द एटमॉस्फेयर इन टू फॉर्म्स: diatomic molecules O2 and as triatomic molecules O3. Ozone exists as thick blanket called ozone shield or ozonosphere. Some 18 to 26 km above in atmosphere, it protects us by absorbing harmful ultraviolet radiations. And what is ozone depletion? Thinning of ozone shield was first noticed by Antarctica in 1985. Chlorofluorocarbons are harmful synthetic chemicals which are mainly responsible for depletion of ozone layer. The ozone depletion may cause harmful effects on men and animals like skin cancer, etc. Next is management of waste we produce. Next topic is the waste generated by us may be biodegradable or non-biodegradable. Serious environmental problems are caused by the disposal of the waste we generate. तो इसके बहुत सारे मेथड आपको मैंने बताए थे: इनकिनरेशन, RRR, ये सब आप अच्छी तरह से जानते हैं. कि या तो हम रीयूज़ कर सकते हैं, रिफ्यूज़ कर सकते हैं या रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट आता है इंकिनरेशन, कि जो गार्बेज है उसको हाई टेम्परेचर पर हम बर्न कर दें, जिससे उसका जो मास है वो रिड्यूस हो जाता है और हार्मफुल गैसेस भी उससे नहीं निकलती हैं अगर हम अबव 1000 डिग्री सेल्सियस पर किसी चीज़ को बर्न करते हैं। लैंडफिल, किसी भी मटेरियल को लो लैंड में गार्बेज को डाल करके उसके बाद उसको सैंड से या सॉइल से फिल कर दिया जाता है। तो इस तरह से बहुत सारे मेथड्स हमने डिस्कस किए थे। तो इस तरीके से ये रिकैप था इस चैप्टर का। आई होप कि आपको सब रिवाइज़ हो गया होगा, रिमाइंड हो गया होगा इसको सुनने से।